All right, so we are back at it again. Sorry for lack of content recently, but this has been the a state of trading community past 2 weeks with all the news. 9:30, time to start trading. 9:45, whole civilization will die tonight. But every time Trump tweets something, and I'm like, fuck, like that good old meme. So yeah. I took a toll like 2 months ago. A lot of people were asking to get a watch a series of like getting from 1K to 10K. And as far as prop trading, I'm still trading prop, but it's very slow. So it's been a lot of ups and downs. It's kind of like my accounts from Lucid, just lose, and then that just made it back. I'm literally sitting at almost a break even past 2-3 weeks on prop trading. That's where I'm at right now on those 5 accounts. And as far as the series that you guys requested a couple of months ago, 2 months ago, I think it was a series that I will get a live cash account from 1,000 to 10,000. So I decided to kind of give it a shot, see see if you can see if you can do it in a manageable time. Yeah, probably gonna take a couple of months to get it there because it's not going to be my primary focus. I'm still going to take like one or two trades, quick scalp on it every day if I can, but it's not going to be my primary focus. But it'll be good enough that'll give me a something to make content about. So I started it yesterday. So I took a couple of trades yesterday. I took a couple of trades today on it. And if you guys wondering which broker it is, it's AMP Live or AMP Futures. That's the one I like because they're extremely responsive on TradingView when you trade them on TradingView. So that's the one I like. I deposited about 1,000 after the fees and all that. I think it came down to like 997 on my account. So I made a nice little sheet on it with the number of trades I'm going to take, with the date, P&L, starting balance, ending balance, and the progress that I'm going to make, and the daily notes. So yesterday I took two trades. One was break even, one was a loss at 118, and that was ending balance. And today I took three trades. One was a loss, two win, and I got about 88 back. So that's the ending balance. That's that on that one. And the daily notes on the first day that I started, I would say micromanagement. I had a I took a trade that was break even, and I also took a trade that I lost on. I shouldn't have lost. That day could have been easily like $300 day because I micromanaged the trade. I ended up losing it. I'll go over the trades real quick. And on this challenge of 1 to $10,000 account flip, I'm going to risk between 5 to 10%. I'm going to trade it a little bit aggressively, uh, and we'll see where it will take us. So let's just go to oh yeah. So let's just cover the price action. So overnight Asia session is just absolutely blew up. We got stagnated a little bit pre-market and market open, and we start getting choppy. Well, we start going down, and after that we got choppy a little bit. So my trade idea this morning was, hey, I was like, if it comes down to London low, and if you have a strong reaction towards the upside, I'm just gonna take a quick trade from here to here, grab about 100 point, about 400 tick. That didn't happen, so I completely stayed away from it until afternoon, where I got a bunch of alert because I had alert on these levels. So this was the first one that I got alerted. It came to my POI, closed below it, inverse gap, got in, and of course that one was a loss. This one, however, came to a POI. It went down, but since it was at the end of the 15-minute cycle, I didn't take it. I took it at the beginning of the new 50-minute cycle. As soon as came up, got rejected, started going down. I got in. I was aiming for this area for my take profit, because as you can see, we start rejecting when we got to this level. So I just got out of that trade on that one. And the next one that I got all art, I got all art on this one in this POI. This was a beautiful rejection, beginning of the new 15-minute cycle. And also you can see it on the stochastic. We are going down. That's another thing I've been implementing past couple of weeks, and it's been really good. It's been helping me dodge and avoid certain bad setup and also take trade. This one I closed it manually because we got a huge reaction of this level, so I just closed it manually. My original take profit was here, this low, and of course that would have been a break even. So I decided to take the trade off around here on that account. So yeah, and of course price went back up, crash, and then now Asia session is just getting chopped around. Let me see if I can remember the yesterday's trade, so I can cover it real quick. Oh yeah, this one was painful to see. So this trade, I got in around here. No, I got in around here. And my stop loss was here. My take profit was, of course, this low. This was the first trade I took on that on the live account, and of course I took this trade on the funded accounts too. Yeah, sorry. There it is. But as soon as we hit this area, we closed below this area. I moved my stop loss to break even. I don't know why I moved it to break even so quickly. I guess I didn't want to lose my first trade. But we got this scam week, got us out of the trade, and just continued delivering to the downside to our drawn liquidity. And I just didn't think of it anything. And later in the day, something similar happened around here. I believe, yes. So this was the one that I got in. This was a little bit heartbreaking. I got in here, and originally my stop loss was here. That's the logical stop loss. It's the point of invalidation. It's the most recent swing, and I was targeting halfway through. Yeah, I wanted to target here, but I was like, nah, it's too much. I'm just gonna target halfway through. Just go for a nice base hit. And as soon as I got into this trade, I was like, nah. And I saw a huge reaction. And I just closed the trade. As soon as we closed below this low, I closed it manually. I was like, yeah, nah, I'm not going to be in this trade. And guess what? The trade went straight to the take profit. Not only we went to take profit, it went way above. I completely hit that area. So that's the trade. It would have been a $350, $400 trade on that one. But so micromanagement in here, of course, micromanagement in here. So I'm at the point that I don't have any issue identifying the direction of the market. I don't have any issue to stay away from the market when it's choppy. I don't have any issue with patience or discipline. I feel like the last bad thing that I need to rip away from my system is micromanagement. I take profit too early. I move my stop loss too early. I move to break even too early most often. I just need to let the trade be and let it play out, win or loss. That's the thing. And if you're struggling with micromanaging, you just have to bite your teeth and do it for a couple of weeks until you get used to the volatility. And that's assuming you already have the direction, your psychology, discipline, patience, and all the rest of the stuff down. So hopefully this series that I'm just starting keep me excited enough to want to make content about, because making content about prop trading is not that exciting. It's quite boring. But trying to flip the account from 1,000 to 10,000, it's far more interesting and far more engaging for viewers and of course for myself as well. I flipped accounts in the past before, but I never documented them. So this is gonna be my first time documenting a live cash account. So that's what I have. If you guys need to join a community, you need to ask question, you need a little bit of help, I have a free community called Trading Made Simple on school.com. Just join in, it's free. Send me a message, leave your trades, we'll give you feedback. And if you need further help, I'm also going to leave a link down below. Check them out. Let me know what you think. If you guys need any help, let me know. Until the next one, love you guys and see you then.